Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to discuss types of Google audience. When you want to run a campaign, display ad campaign, or YouTube ad campaign, then Google give you a opportunity to target various type of audience. So you have to know which type of audience means what is this. Affinity audience, that means who have already interest, lifestyle, buying habits, ideal for raising awareness, reaching people general interest in your product. What is custom affinity? Custom affinity is a already who have interest in your product, already visited your website. Okay, that will help you to retarget your audience. In market audience, target users actively research considering buying your product service similar of yours. Ideal for reaching user closer to make a purchase decision. Custom content audience. Custom content audience define specific keywords, URL in active user purchase intent. Remarketing, retargeting audience, that means already who visit your website, you can retarget them. That is called remarketing audience. Customer mass audience, if you have a phone number, address, email, then you can upload this audience on your Google ad account, and this audience will be customer mass audience. Similar audience you can create based on your existing remarketing or customer mass list. You can make a similar type audience that is known as lookalike audience in Facebook ad. Demographic audience, reach your based on age, gender, parental status, household income, and more. Useful for narrowing down your audience to specific demographic characteristics. Life events and detailed demographic audience. So these are the types of audience of YouTube ad. So let's go in the main Google ad account and show you all type of audience. So now I'm going to my Google Ads account, search here audience. If you search here, you can see tools, share library, audience manager, audience segments, audiences. Okay, so if you go audience manager, then you will get audience option, custom segments, and your data sources. So first of all, I'm going to audience section, create a audience. Here you can see, first of all you have to give a name, audience. So I write YouTube ads audience. Then here you can see interest, detail, demographic. Okay, and if you click here, you can find browse, live in market, live event, detailed demographic, affinity audience. Here you can get in market audience, various type of industry, real estate, telecom, software, media and entertainment, home and gardening, etc. And this is also different type of categories: home and gardening, cookware, food beverage, home garden service, home appliance, home decor, etc. And also you can target live event, different type of live event, detailed demographic audience, and affinity audience. You can study and understand the audience types. Here you can see, right, if you have a social media service, right here SEO, or write your keywords. If you write your keywords, then Here you can see already I write SEO, SEM service, SEO service, SEO content, SEO WordPress. Okay, that's perfect. Just click. You can exclude also. If you want, you can exclude also new segments here. Then you can exclude your based on your data. Okay. Then also I just, and here you can see the demographic. You can select your age range and also male, female, etc. So just try to click and save. And this audience you can use on your campaign. Very simple to create a audience. So hopefully this video is very useful for you. If you need any help on YouTube ad, let me contact us. I will help you to uh, I will help you to on your YouTube ad campaign. Thank you so much for watching this video.